Sun. At the center of our solar system lies the Sun. With a surface temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius, our journey through space begins here. Mercury. This is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. At a distance of about 58 million kilometers, temperatures can reach 430 degrees Celsius by day and drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. Venus. Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system, about 108 million kilometers from the Sun, with surface temperatures around 465 degrees Celsius, hidden beneath thick, toxic clouds. Earth. This is Earth, our home, 150 million kilometers from the Sun, with an average temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, the only world known to support life. Mars. Mars, the red planet, located 228 million kilometers from the Sun, with an average temperature of minus 60 degrees Celsius, a cold and dusty desert world. Jupiter. Jupiter, the largest planet, 778 million kilometers from the Sun, with temperatures around minus 145 degrees Celsius, a giant world of storms and swirling gases. Saturn, the ringed giant, about 1.4 billion kilometers from the Sun, with temperatures near minus 178 degrees Celsius. Its rings shine like cosmic jewels. Uranus. Uranus, an icy blue giant, 2.9 billion kilometers from the Sun, with temperatures around minus 224 degrees Celsius, rotating on its side in silent mystery. Neptune. Neptune, the farthest known planet, 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, with temperatures near minus 214 degrees Celsius, home to the fastest winds in the solar system. In this vast universe, are we truly alone?